Hello and welcome to another math video. Today we're just going to be practicing taking the derivatives of some functions using all of our derivative rules that we've learned, right? Power rule, quotient rule, product rule, chain rule, all of that. Okay? So our first function, 4x to the exponent negative 5 minus 1 over the fourth root of x. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put down y prime. This one, what we're going to do is we're going to take our negative 5, right? We're going to bring it down to the front, right? So it's going to be negative 5 multiplied by the 4, which is going to be negative 20. Okay? X is going to still be there. This is going to be minus 1, right? So negative 5 minus 1 is going to be negative 6. And this part right here, what we're going to do is we have to change this a little bit, right? I don't like this fourth root of x, and I don't like it on the bottom, okay? So what I want to do is I'm going to change it to something that'll look like this. I'm going to bring it up to the top. Bring it up to the top makes my exponent a negative, and the exponent is going to be, it's the fourth root, so I want 1 over 4, right? So if I take the derivative of that, my 1 over 4, negative 1 over 4 is going to come down, right? So here I have a negative still, so I'm going to open up my bracket and I'm going to go negative 1 over 4 because my negative 1 over 4 is coming down. My x is going to remain there, and it's going to be to the power of negative 1 over 4 minus, well, it's going to be 1, so minus 4 over 4, which is going to be negative 5 over 4, right? So I'm going to go negative 5 over 4. Just simplifying that out a little bit, I'm going to have negative 20x to the negative 6. That's going to be plus now 1 over 4x to the exponent negative 5 over 4. If you want, you can take this negative exponent and move it down to the bottom and have 4x to the exponent of 5 over 4 on the bottom, but leaving it like that is perfectly fine as well. Now, second one. Again, I have like it's a seventh root here. I don't really like that seventh root there, so I need to change it to an exponent, right? So seventh root exponent is going to be 1 over 7. So I'm just going to have everything on the inside here. Minus 5x to the exponent of 1 over 7, okay? Now, once again, taking this 1 over 7, we're going to bring it out to the front. And then we're going to need to multiply that by the derivative of the inside function, okay? So, take our 1 over 7 out here. I'm going to minus 1 as well up here, right? So 1 over 7 minus 7 over 7, that's going to be negative 6 over 7. So I'm going to have a negative 6 over 7 in the exponent. Negative 6 over 7 in the exponent. So, bringing that down, the inside part stays the same. Our exponent negative 6 over 7 now, and then I multiply that by the derivative of the inside part, which is bringing the 3 down to the front, right? 3 times 9 is going to be 27, so that's going to be 27. Subtract 1 from the exponent, so that's going to be x squared now, minus the derivative of negative 5x here is just going to be negative 5. Just like that, okay? Now, I'm just gonna box this one up here. I'm just gonna bring this one down here, if you guys don't mind, because I'm kind of running out of space over there on the end. Okay, so for this one, we need to do product rule, right? We have a product of two functions here, right? Function number 1 here, function number 2 here. And it looks like our functions, when we take the derivatives, we're going to have to use chain rule, right? We're going to have to take the same way we did here. We take the derivative of the outside multiplied by the derivative of the inside function. But we're also using product rule, so it's going to be a little bit tricky. But if you take your time, should be okay. So, here I'm going to take the derivative of the first part, right? So I'm bringing the 4 down. I have 4. I have the inside, which stays the same, 5x squared plus x multiplied by the derivative of the inside, which is 10x plus 1. Okay? And I leave my second function alone for this part. So I still have to multiply by 2x minus 1 cubed. Okay? Now I add, and I'm going to add that second part here on the bottom. Okay? Now I leave my first function alone. So, leaving my first function alone, I just have 5x squared plus x. Oh, we forgot our power here. To the power of 3, right? 4 minus 1, that's 3. Good catch there. So, here, leaving the first part alone, we have 5x squared plus x to the 4th power, taking the derivative of the second part. Okay, bringing the 3 down. So I have my 3 here. I'm multiplying it by 2x minus 1 there in the exponent, so 3 minus 1 is 2, multiplied by the derivative of the outside part, which is, or the inside part, which is 2, right? The derivative of 2x is 2, the derivative of a constant is just 0. Well, 2 times 3 is just going to be 6, so instead of writing this 3 here, I'm just going to go ahead and put a 6 down. Okay? And there you have it. Leaving the second part alone, taking the derivative of the... leaving the first part alone, taking the derivative of the second part, and that's how you write down the first line there. Okay? There you have it. Hope you enjoyed it, and have a good one.